My corn and jalapeno salad with bacon, shrimp, and lime. It's gonna make you say, All right, so the first thing you wanna do is heat up a non-stick skillet, and we're gonna add some bacon that's been chopped. We're just gonna crisp this up, render out all that fat, and then we're gonna use the fat to cook our other ingredients. Oh, you smell bacon. All right, so you see all that fat that's rendering out. It's gonna get nice and golden brown and crispy. In the meantime, while the bacon is cooking, let's chop up our jalapenos. Slice off the cheeks of the jalapeno. This way you don't have to actually deseed it. Once jalapenos cook down, it's actually not that spicy. So we just wanna have 3 jalapenos that are chopped about the size of corn kernels. That way everything's kind of a similar size when I put them all together. Just remember, after you're dealing with jalapenos, don't touch your eyes. Make sure you wash your hands or else your eyes are gonna burn for days. Looks like the bacon's almost done. Wash my hands. Look how delicious that looks. We're gonna take a slotted spoon and scoop out all the bacon so it stops cooking. It's gonna cook a little bit more once it's in the bowl, but we don't want it to burn. So we're gonna leave the fat in the skillet. Now we're gonna add our jalapenos. We're gonna cook these until they're just a little bit greener. We want them to soften just a little bit. I don't really add extra salt to this dish just because the bacon fat already has so much salt in it. So if you wanna add more salt, feel free. While the jalapenos are cooking up, we're gonna cut our corn. Just slice off carefully one side of the corn kernels, and I roll it onto the flat side, and I just keep slicing it. So we're gonna take about 6 ears of corn, or 3 cups approximately of fresh corn. I find that fresh corn has a little bit of more crunch to it, and I really like that crunch. Plus it just tastes a little bit fresher. The jalapenos are nice and bright and green. I'm gonna add the corn kernels. Yes, look how gorgeous that is. And heat the corn through. I don't actually wanna soften the corn, I just wanna get it nice and warm. I'm gonna just give this shrimp a quick rough chop. I'm gonna add the shrimp directly into the pan. I like my shrimp to stay really juicy and succulent, so I don't wanna overcook them. I just wanna cook them until they're opaque. Now we're just gonna cook this until everything is warmed through and the shrimp is nice and pink. And unlike me, if you have a bigger skillet, definitely use a bigger skillet. Misjudge that one. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do before we turn off the skillet is add a little bit of cream cheese. I think cream cheese is enough, but if you wanna add like any other kind of cheese, feel free. And the great thing about this salad is you can serve it warm, or you can serve it cold. You can make this the night before and it's just as delicious. So we're gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna add that bacon back into here. We're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika, black pepper, some lime juice, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can totally omit this or add parsley, add mint, add basil. Any kind of herb goes really well with this dish. Look at all those beautiful colors. There's gonna be so much flavor in this dish. It's gonna have a little kick from the jalapenos, but not overwhelming. You cannot ask for a better side dish. Okay. Garnish it with some more cilantro. And there you have it, you guys. My corn and jalapeno salad with bacon, shrimp, and lime. Oh yeah.